Alright guys, so before you travel to Thailand, you may check if you are under these countries that under the low risk countries. So if you've been here for 21 days, you can avail the test and go, which you will quarantine only for one night. So I will just share with you guys that we are included here. So I am from Philippines and my husband is from US. So we are going to avail the one night quarantine. Call it test and go. What we did was we check what are the requirements. So here they require you to have the Thailand pass. So in order to get the Thailand pass, you must have your passport, vaccination certificate or card, COVID-19 health insurance, and then your confirm hotel booking with RT-PCR test with the airport pickup, and then your flight booking. Once you complete this one, you click this website. On that website, you will find this one. So there is two options here, Thai nationals and non-Thai. So we will go here on the non-Thai. Okay. So like I said, we are under the 63 low-risk countries and we are getting the test and go. There's also these other options here, the blue zone and then the alternative quarantine. So let's go here on the test and go. Select. And then you will just read this one. Once you read it, you click here and then confirm. So you will just need to complete this purpose of arrival. So purpose of arrival, we will choose travel, departure, or from country you're coming. So we're coming from Bahrain. First arrival port in Thailand, Suvarnabhumi Airport. Okay. And then flight number. Let's just put like a fake one, okay guys? And then date of arrival. Let's say we will travel tomorrow. Okay. So today is 4. Let's say our flight is 5. Okay. And then estimated date of departure from Thailand. Let's say we'll stay here for 1 week. Okay. So let's say we'll leave on 11. And then after you finish this one, register. Okay, so read this one and then click confirm. And then you will see here the 4 things that you must complete: personal information, vaccination, contact and accommodation, medical insurance, and additional documents. So title, Miss. Okay, no need to put the middle name. Family name. Guys, this is not true. I'm just showing you how to do it. Okay, let's say American. Date of birth. Okay, email. Just confirm. Confirm. Oh my god, I don't know how to do the copy paste here. Okay, what's my occupation? Okay, I do vlogging. All right. Okay, so here select passport, so click that one. We are just using ordinary, so I will choose ordinary passport. And then here, put your passport number. Like I said, this is not real information, okay? I'm just showing you. So once you completed the first passport number, you choose the. For example, that is your passport, okay? It's completed. Click next. And then here, you will put your vaccination record. So, have you recovered from COVID-19 infection within 1 year? No. So, for the vaccine, we got Sinopharm. and then which date of your first vaccine. Okay, let's choose July 1. Okay, and then you will put your vaccination. I'm just showing you how to use the Thailand pass. Okay, so for the second one, let's use again Sinopharm, and then the date. So our first one was June, let's say August 1. Okay, and then you put again the picture. So once you complete that one, you click here. Okay, and then next. So we have here the accommodation and contact. So for the accommodation and contacts, we will click here the SHA extra, because that's the test and go. Here, see, exemption from quarantine, SHA extra. Okay, so click that one. So province, let's say our province, it would be Bangkok. Okay, because we're staying in Bangkok for the first night. And then what's the accommodation name? Okay, let's say we're staying at the Regent. And then the address will be automatic there. And then your booking ID. Okay, booking ID. That is our booking ID. So let's say we came here 5, right? So our check-in is 5, our check-out is 11. And then put here the picture. Okay, so what is your overseas address? So you can put here your overseas address. Okay, and additional info. Okay, so just put your overseas address, and then your contact, and then the name of your contact person. Whenever what happened to you, that's the person they will call. Okay. Okay. Okay, so once you complete this one, see, it's all complete. You go with the next step. Click next. So here, what is your insurance number? Okay, let's say our insurance number is like this. Minimum medical coverage of 50,000. The insurance period covers the total duration of stay. Okay, so it's already checked, so no need to touch anything there. Alright, and then the effective date, you will put the day that you will arrive here. Okay, and then here you need to attach the insurance that you got. All right, other visited countries within 14 days, we don't have. Okay, additional documents, if any, no, we don't have. And then you click submit. All right guys, once you click submit, there is a number that will come out. You can take a screenshot on your phone for that number, because if you want to check the status of your Thailand pass, you will use that number, your passport and your email address. Okay, so that's where you will update your Thailand pass. For us, it didn't take for 1 day. So my husband get his Thailand pass like 10 minutes after I sent it. And then mine, I got it like maximum 9 hours. Okay, so but other people, like what I am searching online, they took their Thailand pass in a days. So once you click the submit, there's a note there that the processing of Thailand pass is 3 to 7 days. So much better if you fill up those ones, you complete those requirements and do your Thailand pass, so you don't worry. Okay, so once you have everything and you got your Thailand pass, you are ready to go in Thailand. So that's what they needed for the travelers traveling to Thailand.